Hey everyone, I'm Aravind, and today we will walk you through the development and evaluation of a tool that helps content creators create accessible PDFs. This project was in collaboration with myself, Tripti, Deb, and Dr. Jonathan Lazar from the Trey Center at the University of Maryland, and Rajiv, Varun, and Vlad from Adobe Research. Today, there are over 2 trillion PDFs that exist online, but less than 2% of them are fully accessible to screen reader users. This is even a challenge in conferences like Chi. In 2014, authors were given specific guidelines to make their PDFs more accessible, but even then, only 27% of them were made accessible, showing that even the HCI community is struggling with this problem. Our previous research suggests that the problem lies in the existing tools that are too complex for the average user. Our hypothesis is that a more usable, simplified, and an improved interface could lead to better remediation outcomes. In our talk, we will describe our design solution and show how our prototype can assist users to remediate inaccessible PDFs more quickly and effectively. This video of our prototype being played in fast forward shows how an inaccessible PDF is being remediated. We created this tool with our partners at Adobe Research to make PDF tagging simpler and easier for authors at any expertise level. After this demo, Tripti will go deeper into its design.
We introduce a task list and an accessibility meter to make users aware of the steps required to make a PDF document accessible. We focused on 4 tasks. Task 1, Content Tagging. Content tagging is highly imperative in traversing a document. LI, the solution tool, allows users to add, edit, remove, position, and resize tags by dragging a box and stretching over the size of the content to be tagged. Our system leverages distinct colors and annotated text to identify the content such as paragraph, figures, etc. Task 2, Heading Level. A document with well-structured heading levels helps users with vision impairments to understand and navigate the document. For example, they can hear the difference between a heading level 1 and a paragraph. Additionally, they can jump from one heading level to another and decide which part they want to read. We employed contextual manipulation of heading tags to nest the headings by their level. Task 3, Reading Order. The sequential presentation of the content by the screen readers is referred to as the reading order. Our system provides an interactive way to manipulate the reading order. The tool offers 2 different ways to fix reading order. One, by using a numbered list with drag handles to reorder. And second is by drawing on top of the document and connecting the different bounding boxes annotated with corresponding numbers to set a reading order. During the pilot studies, we noted that the straight line failed to show the direction in which the bounding boxes were connected. Therefore, we decided to use curved lines with arrowhead pointing in the direction as read by the screen reader. Further, the untagged available regions are highlighted with a semi-transparent red color overlay. The overlay is removed as the user traces over an element, indicating success in linking using the curved lines. Task 4, Tables. Data tables in PDF documents are one of the prominent visual ways to relay complex information to users. As a result, tables without structural markup and improper link-up between header and data cells create accessibility barriers. We provided a spatial table editor that allows direct manipulation such as adding or deleting rows and columns, shifting the structure, and changing the table tags.
We moderated remote usability sessions with 20 participants categorized into 3 different groups: novice, intermediate, and expert, and spent up to 3 hours with each participant. Each user was given 2 tagged PDF documents with similar complexity level. Out of the 20 participants, we asked 10 participants to use Acrobat first, while the rest were asked to use Ali. This was done in order to avoid learning effects. We also introduced controlled and realistic tagging errors in all the documents. And to validate our hypothesis, we used 3 quantitative metrics: task performance, time performance, and user satisfaction. Here we outline our research methodology. Participants were asked to watch a video tutorial before using a trial PDF to familiarize themselves with the tools. Next, they performed 4 tasks using both Acrobat and Ali. And after using both the tools, we gave them a post-usability survey to fill. Coming to the results, to evaluate time performance, we measured the time taken by participants to complete each of the 4 tasks. Overall, participants were twice as fast on Ali than Acrobat. We evaluated the task performance by calculating the number of errors remaining in the document after remediation. Overall, participants were roughly 3 times as accurate on Ali as opposed to Acrobat. And for the final metric, we collected user satisfaction data through post-usability surveys. Majority of the participants mentioned it was fairly easy to remediate a PDF using Ali. Our tool also reported an average system usability score of 80 as opposed to Acrobat, which was scored at 30. A score of 80 is considered to be good and acceptable for an interface. In conclusion, our research found that a usable, improved design can help users remediate PDFs more effectively and efficiently. Participants were twice as fast and 3 times more accurate using Ali. Overall, participants preferred Ali over Acrobat. In our future work, we will address other aspects of PDF accessibility, such as alternate text, accessible links, list tags, embedded files, and forms. We would like to thank RERC, Neidler, and Adobe for funding this initiative. Thank you very much.